Welcome to your Fighting Scots weekly update. This week, we're starting off with Athlete of the Week. We are shouting out Michaela Shu of the women's swimming team. She is the PSAC Women's Swimmer of the Week after earning 2 first-place finishes against IUP last week. She took first in the 50 and 100-yard freestyle in times of 24 seconds and 54 seconds, both PSAC qualifying times. Then this week, she took first place again in the 50-yard freestyle against Notre Dame with 25 seconds. Congratulations to Michaela and keep up the great work. And another congratulations to Alicia Eldridge, the setter of the women's volleyball team. During senior night, Alicia hit 1,000 career digs, with Alicia adding 38 assists and 13 digs, helping the Scots to improve to 19-7 overall and 9-5 in conference play. Continuing with women's volleyball, on Friday, the Fighting Scots won 3-1 up against Cal U. Then on Saturday, the Fighting Scots earned a strong win on senior night, 3-1 up against Seton Hill. On Wednesday, the women's soccer team went up against Clarion and they lost 1-0. Then on Saturday, the Scots tied Cal U 1-1. This game brought the women's soccer team 2022 season to a close. The Scots will return to action in the spring. Men's and women's swimming teams went up against Notre Dame College on Friday, with the men's team losing 101-93 and women's teams winning 152-50. On Saturday, the football team lost to Seton Hill, 45-14, with Clay Cunningham crossing over 100 tackles this season. Coming up this week, on November 5th and 6th, the Edinboro wheelchair basketball team is hosting the Borough Shootout. The Scots will be going up against London, Cleveland, Pittsburgh, Orlando, and the University of Michigan. Then on Friday, the men's and women's swimming teams will be going against Bloomsburg. Then on Saturday, the Scots will go up against Allegheny at Macomb Fieldhouse. The women's volleyball team plays on Clarion on Friday and Pitt Johnson on Saturday, before heading to the PSAC quarterfinals on November 9th. Both the men's and women's cross-country teams will be traveling to Mansfield for the PSAC championships. On Saturday, the football team will go up against Slippery Rock. Then the wrestling team will tackle Clarion on Saturday. The Scots currently have 7 wins and 3 losses against the Golden Eagles. In other sports news, the women's basketball team was selected 3rd in the PSAC West preseason poll. The Scots were one of the league's best home teams, dropping just 3 games at Macomb Fieldhouse last season. They will open the season on November 11th when they take on Notre Dame College. On Friday, the Edinboro Athletic Department will hold a reception and ceremony in Pogue Student Center to honor the inductees to the Athletic Hall of Fame. Congratulations to Heather Clark, Kelsey Cortland, Jackman Donaldson, Dave Hyman, Jeff Jacobs, Trevor Jennifer, Ashley Jones, Mark Muggleton, and Kevin Welsh on their achievements. That's all for your Fighting Scots sports update this week. For more details and updates for sports, go to GoFightingScots.com.